Hello everyone and welcome to the question of the day. We have a biggish passage today, so I'm going to shift aside so that all of you can read the passage and determine the main idea of the passage. So the passage today, which I hope you have read, is like a critique on schools. Why is it a critique? Right from here, the author has given the main point that they confuse process with substance. Confusing process with substance. What is supposed to be a process? Like, getting them to get better grades, helping them to be more competent. Things that are processes are now seen to be the sum and substance of what education is. So education is not seen as just education, but also a tool for grade enhancement. Teaching is not just seen as teaching, but evaluation. So the author gives the example of what is happening where processes are getting confused with substance. So a treatment is only a process, but is confused with healthcare. So what is the main idea is given right here in the second line. And that's the main idea. That means that we are looking at just confusing processes with substance, and we are trying to spend a lot of resources on the process. So option A says allocating more resources is not going to help in anything. That we don't know. The author hasn't answered the question as to what happens when you allocate a lot of resources. The author is only saying we are allocating a lot of resources. But what is actually happening is going beyond the main point. It is going beyond the main point. Talking about quality and all, which the author has not said. The author has not mentioned anything about quality or quantity here. Just saying that we are confusing the two things and hence allocating a lot of resources. Is this helping? No, I'm not answered. So option A is out. Schooling doctors thinking by teaching students to identify the process with the results is the correct answer. This is a replica of the second line and hence is our answer. C is giving us the examples but is missing the main point. So these are only examples. Where is this leading? These examples are supporting the main point which is given in B. So examples are never the main point. Remember children, examples are never the main point. You can't just write two random examples. What are the examples standing for? That is given in line 2 and given in option B. That is our correct answer. Again, like A, D is incorrect. We don't know whether less treatment or more treatment is helping. The author hasn't answered whether adding more resources or treating more is not helping or helping. So just like A, D will be incorrect. The author is just saying we are confusing two things. And that's all that we have to do in the main point. So never exceed the scope of the passage and never just give the examples. Always choose the line which the examples are leading us to. So that is it from my side. The question of the day today, main point, and the correct answer for this is option B.